how to record a song on FL Studio. So the last time I showed you the basics of FL Studio, how to work around the project, but now I'll show you how to record vocals, which is what I normally do. So first, here's an example of a song I made. So before writing any lyrics or anything, I start by finding a beat on YouTube. And if you already have a beat or you have a producer you know, you got a beat from somewhere else, that's perfect. Just skip over this step, okay? For those of you who don't have a beat already, you can follow these steps. So me personally, I make songs like a bit like Glaive, Eric Doa, Break and Midwest, like a bit of hyper pop, you know? Or like pop, or like punk, or I don't know. Maybe I have some rap elements. But the beats I normally use are Glaive, Eric Doa beats, or type beats I should say. So I just search for one of those, but you can literally use any beat you want. Just put the famous artists you sound most like, and then write type beat after. Okay, so I found this beat I like. So now I'll just download it. You do it by search on Get MP3. Click on this one. GetMP3.pro. It's the one I use all the time. Just right click, paste it, download it. Now what you want to do is open FL Studio and just make sure you're in song mode. Go to Google and just drag the beat in. So firstly you want to find the BPM and the key for the beat, and you find those by looking in the description of the beat. If it doesn't say, sometimes they have a BeatStars link and you just press that and it says there as well. But if you still don't know, press here on the beat, press detect tempo, go to 100 to 200, press it. It's basically 130 BPM. Then you double tap the beat and press on track here. Shift scroll down so it's on number 1. You don't have to do that, but I just like it. I have both of the two main auto-tunes, which you have to pay for. Because I started on Waves, but then I switched over to the Antares one because I found it a bit better. I'll just show you them both. So on the Antares one, you just press, for me it's alto/tenor. But for you, it might be low male or soprano. It's the low male is
if you have lower voice,
soprano is
if you're a girl,
and the alto tenor is like if you have like a medium voice. I don't know. So I just put in A sharp and minor. Automatically does it to B flat. Then I put the reaching speed to like 9. I don't know. I like it. It's not too much, and it masks the flaws of my voice perfectly. So on Waves, you just click here on A sharp, and then you press natural minor. The note transition should be at like 13, I don't know, somewhere like here. You won't sound like a robot on those settings, so it's okay. So mid-recording, I just noticed that the key was wrong. It was actually in major and not minor. So just switch it, obviously. If you've downloaded an MP3, there's always a short little nothingness in the start. So just delete that. So just scroll in here, you can see here's nothing. Just get rid of that, drag it back, and you can make sure it's aligned by looking at the first bass. So the second thing you want to do is go to Insert 2. My interface has 2 slots, so I have 2 options, so I'll just choose the one where my microphone is plugged in, obviously. And then I hear myself twice, which is lovely. So what I normally do is put this and then right click, route to this track only, and then here I put my effects on the third one. So I'll just try to record something now. How I normally find my flow and the melody and the lyrics and everything is by using a technique which is called top lining. So I'll just record and say nothing. Like I'll just do like nothing. It's not words. Then I do a melody like automatically, and then I'll write lyrics to the melody. I'll just do that now. What can help when recording your vocals is put on the metronome. So then even in these quiet parts where there's no drums or anything, you can still hear the rhythm of it. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. I forgot to tell you, we record by selecting the rec, go to the pattern, and then press this one, press audio into the playlist as an audio clip. You just hit R when you want to record, so it's like that, and press R again if you don't want to record. So now I've recorded something. I just wrote the lyrics like right now, like 2 minutes, so if you don't like them, just bear with me. So I just play out sounds with just the audio tune. Am I dying for you? I was killing all your monsters, I was fighting for you, cause you said so. I ain't crying for you. I was in your battlefield, seen a lot of shit, and now I'm just full of it. So this is what it sounds like after I put in my mixing preset. Am I dying for you? I was killing all your monsters, I was fighting for you, cause you said so. I ain't crying for you. I was in your battlefield, seen a lot of shit, and now I'm just full of it. I'll just show you how it can sound if you add harmonies to it as well. Am I dying for you? I was killing all your monsters, I was fighting for you, cause
cause you said so. I ain't crying for you. I was in your battlefield, seen a lot of shit. Now I'm just full of it.
Yeah, man. 100% the next video is going to be how I record my song, but this was just the basics on how you can record. So if you want more videos, just leave a like, and bye!